And then I'll start by saying the prayer. Father in heaven, we thank you for this day. We are grateful to be able to meet today and to discuss the lesson that we have been studying. We ask that we can be able to recall on the knowledge that we have gained, and that we may also be able to finish and work on our study, on our project. And we ask and pray for these things in the name of thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Yep.
All right. Are you at the quiz already?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Okay. I got the first two done. I'll take 3. Question 3. It says, well, we should get the probability applet and then the math self-efficacy. Question 3 asks, given the linear regression equation where y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? Download, round to 1 decimal.
It's just going to be 2, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. I was overthinking it.
Yeah. Get my calculator open here. Regression equation y equals plus 0.25x. The value of y when x is 16. So
You get 1.
I got 1.
Okay. All right, for the next 7 questions, use the data file math self-efficacy. Is that the same one? Oh, yeah. The one that we got. Yeah. Okay. Be sure to use confidence data for the explanatory and the score as responsible. Mate, for question 6, make a scatter plot of the math self-efficacy data of the 3 data shapes introduced in the reading. Which shape best describes the data, or these data? All right, sorry, I just downloaded the data sheet. I don't know why it took so long.
Yeah, me too. And I'm still opening the quantitative and procedure.
Okay. Four. To me, that's going to look like the hot dog shape.
Yeah. And question 7. Based on the shape of the scatter plot you produced in the last question, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data? Simple linear regression is appropriate for these data. Regression is used for these data. The results will not be reliable. Simple linear regression is not appropriate for these data. I forget. Line up. For as little as the data is being. It should be. So it's the first one there.
Okay. All right, for question 8, how many observations are in the data? I mean, what does that mean, observations?
I think it's just different points.
Oh. Does it give us that number?
No, you just have to go through and count. So like, I just go over to the left and count the rows. Like it goes from row 4 to row 12, so that'd be 9.
All right.
You don't remember that being in like the lesson.
Wait, so it's just how many dots that we have on the scatter plot?
Huh?
Is it just like how many samples we have, or how many
Yeah, how many data points? So like the dots on the
Okay. So what is it, like 139?
What?
Is it 139?
No. Just thinking 9. How are you getting 139? What do you?
Because I thought it was on on the others on the math self efficacy sheet. There's 139 like data information. I don't know. That's what I that's what I thought it was.
Oh, hang on. I was pulling my data from. I did not put that many points. I am way off. I need to redo that. Yeah, my,
Oh, okay. Did you use a different like sheet to get your data?
yeah, I don't know where I got it. I only have like 9 different
Oh shoot.
things.
Okay.
Alright, here it is. Okay, so 139. Alright,
All right.
it's the y-intercept. And
Is it 18.690?
oh yeah,
Is that what you got too?
I am getting there. I forgot that we used the data to calculate it instead of the.
Oh, all right.
get for the intercept?
18.690.
And is it the one that's just already in the
Yeah,
automatic, right?
yeah. I see, like, I got, this is what I, right here, that's where I got the information for that one. And then the slope would be underneath that.
Yeah, I'm gonna redo mine because maybe I just did mine backwards, but I got something different.
Oh, okay. I have to double check on mine because I put the data in on the wrong sides instead of, them being on X and Y, I put Y on X. So I double checked that too.
Oh, you did? Yeah, I was,
Yeah.
as I was putting it in, I wasn't sure which one was the independent and which one was the dependent. So
Oh no, yeah,
I'll
yeah. Right before 6, it tells you the confidence status for the explanatory and the scores for the response.
okay.
All right.
18.6, yeah. That's like,
Yeah. Yeah. And then for then 10 would be 12.695, and then for question 11 it asks, when if x equals 4, what would be the predicted value? Underneath that table where it tells you the y-intercept and the slope, you can just change that x to the 4 and it'll tell you the predicted one. Because I tried doing it by hand and it gave me 69.47, but on Excel it gives you 69.469, and it tells you to round to 3 decimals. So I wasn't, I'm sure both would be correct, but I just put 69.469.
yeah. All right. Question 12. The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? Down to 3 decimal places. It'll be 27.807.
47.807.
Or 27.
Wait, how do you get that answer? I don't. I sped read
So,
it and I got confused.
oh, okay. So it's just asking about the confidence interval, and basically it looks like it's asking for the upper limit, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so it says 27.807 on the far right of the box, intercept value.
Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. I'm good with that one. All right.
Okay.
For question 13, how many explanatory independent variables are present in simple linear regression? Would be 1. I don't know.
I think it would have to be either, I don't know, I forget simple linear, but I think it's either 2 or more than 2 because 1 doesn't give you a slope.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But my only thing is it more than 2?
I don't know. I don't remember reading any of that in the book.
Yeah. I'll see if I can try and see if I can
Okay.
find it.
All right.
I think it's more than 2. Or, oh, no,
Okay.
wait. Sorry. I thought it meant independent point. But you're right. It's only one independent variable.
Is that just talking about like y-intercept and slope, or
So
because I'm confused?
the independent variable is talking about like x or y. So because we have x and y,
Mm-hmm.
that's just 2 variables total. I thought it was talking about points, and so it like kind of confused me.
Oh,
But
okay.
so we only have one independent variable, that's x, and it like compares it in the lesson to multiple linear regression. And so that's like when you have multiple, like instead of just x and y, you have like x1 and x2, and then like y1 and y2, you have like different related data, or like comparing different data. But this one, it's just comparing a single line instead of different like data set.
Okay. All right. So
You're
for 14, it asks for the dependent variables. Would that also be 1?
yeah.
Okay.
So I think that, I mean, I don't know because we're only working with one type of linear regression right now. But I
Yeah.
think that like the dependent variable usually is equal to or less than the independent one.
Okay.
All right, question 15. A company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and lengths of the major and minor axes. Allows to predict the size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? The size of the hat because it is the variable being predicted. It is the variable being predicted. The size of the hat because it is being used to predict circumference. The circumference because it is being used to predict the size of the hat. That's the first one. The size of the hat because it's the variable being predicted.
Okay.
It says, sorry that I didn't answer question 2.
Not yet. Did you?
And question 3 there, and I don't even know. Okay. So we got question 12 wrong.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's right, you know. I heard my question 3 in the wrong spot. I got question 4 wrong, but I'm pretty sure as long as you entered 1.5, it should be right.
Yeah. I got for
Um,
question 3 and 4. I got 2.0, 1.5, and those are right.
yeah, I entered 2. I thought I entered that in the other one. And then the 27.807 in question 12 is wrong. Oh, so I guess you already submitted it because you said you got it right.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know on question 12 what it's asking. It's so weird. Conference data. On a scale of 1 to 6, what is the maximum
Maybe
prediction?
6. X. That would be, I think it would be 117.445. And if you
Yeah,
want
put in
to,
6. Yeah. What'd you say?
I was just say, if you want to, you can go back and check and see if that's that answer. But I'll just go back and read and see if I can validate that.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm okay with the grade that we got. All right, so I'll finish I'll probably finish that thing today, and then I'll send you a copy so so you have the copy of what it is,
Yeah.
and yeah, so I'll see you again on Tuesday.
You too.